One of my favourite things to make of all time, tacos. They're so quick, so easy, and you can do so many different varieties with them. Let me show you one, the Korean beef taco that I make. It's absolutely bloody delicious. Ready? Alright guys, so to start we're just going to make our guacamole sauce. And all that is 1 tablespoon of guacamole paste. We want half a tablespoon of red miso paste. And we just want about 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. And we're just going to mix that so it's all combined, and that is our guacamole sauce for our Korean beef taco. Alright guys, so our guacamole sauce is made over there. Now for our meat, all I've done is thinly sliced some beef rump, and I've mixed that with some soy sauce, some oil, some ginger and some garlic, that's all. Rightio, so that's been marinating overnight, so let's get on to cooking our taco. Alright guys, so I've got my pan here on medium-low heat. You don't want this too high because there's soy sauce in this marinade. It's going to burn really quickly. That's why I've cut this steak very thin. And you just want a little bit of oil in it so the soy doesn't burn. Right, this is going to cook really quick. That's all we do. Throw some of our beef in there. And we're going to cook this for about 20 seconds each side. 20 seconds, flip it, another 20 seconds, take it off, and it's done. Alright, so that beef's been cooking for about 40 seconds now, so we're just going to take that off, we're going to transfer it in a container, and we're going to start cooking our tacos. Alright guys, so here we have it. I've wiped my pan out. I've got 2 flour tortillas. And I'm just going to cook them like that. I've got them together like this so I can just flip them over and then turn them inside out and sear the other side. So when you've got a small pan like this, that's the quickest way to do it. Alright, so I've flipped it over now. We just want to give each side a quick toast, so you can turn the heat up now that you're cooking the tortillas. They don't take long, as you can see. So we just want to flip that over now. You'll see them puff up like that. Rightio, flip it over again. Toast the last side and then we'll get on to making our tacos. Rightio, so all sides are toasted now, so we're just going to transfer this onto a plate and we're going to start putting together our tacos. Alright guys, now to put our tacos together, the tortillas are toasted there. All I've got here, normally I use sour cream, but I bought this new Doritos sour cream and chive dip, so I'm going to give that a go. I'm just going to put a spoonful of that on the bottom. Just going to spread them out. And I've got some slaw here. Just going to put some of that on. Got some red onion that I've sliced up. Then we've got our Korean beef that we've cooked off. We're just going to put that on there. And some of our delicious guacamole sauce that we've made. Then all we want to do is, I've got some thinly sliced radish that I've sliced up there. We just want to finish with the radish. And I've got some coriander that I've picked over there. We're just going to put that on the top for the garnish. And that's our Korean beef tacos done. But yeah, so I've got some coriander that I've picked. Just going to put that on top, some garnish. Rightio guys, and there we have it, my Korean beef tacos. They're going to be bloody delicious. Give this a try, this is so easy. Like I said, you can do so many different varieties with tacos. This is just one variety. This is the favourite that my friends like, so I thought I'll show you this one first, but I'm going to show you a whole different variety of tacos. We're going to do southern chicken tacos, we're going to do fish tacos, we're going to do a bit of everything. So give this one a go, it's very tasty. And let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, time to give these guys a taste and see what they taste like. They look absolutely amazing. Rightio, let's give him a taste, shall we? Oh my god. The flavours, the textures, so good. The Korean beef marinated, the guacamole sauce, that sour cream, the fresh radish, the fresh onion and the slaw, just gives it a really nice taste and texture. That's what I love about Asian food, because it's got all these textures. It's not just all gooey or all hard, it's got all these different textures in it, and that's what I love about Asian food. And I love bringing Asian cooking and all different types of cooking into like tacos, because they're so easy to do and there's so many varieties you can. Alright guys, I really hope you give that one a try at home, because tacos are so easy to make and you can do so many different things with them. Anyway, thank you for watching. Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Hit the bell icon so you get notifications for my videos. I'll be posting 2 new videos every week. And remember, I can't do this without you. Let's make Australia cook again.